Hi, Paul Hefty here with the Triangle O football system. I want to talk about our reverse series. We use an automatic backdoor bill concept in the system. We call it Lucky Rewind. You're going to see examples using zone schemes for both outside and inside for the fake, but you can use gap schemes as natural partners. The idea here is you can use any play fake for the reverse, and then you'll be able to see how you can get it to multiple people as well. Let's take a look. So the first example here is where we're going to do stretch zone fake, and we're going to do an A receiver reverse to the left out of a 3x1. So the way we communicate this is the first word cue is where the reverse is going, lucky to the left, rewind would be to the right. The second call then is going to be the play fake. So the example below, we're in a trio squeeze right, but then we're going to go with a lucky rebels, meaning reverse left, faking rebels or outside zone to the right. You can see the H-back then automatically does his green lead, we call it, where he's going to go ahead and pull wide all the way to the number 1 defender. And then you can see the O-line is going to go ahead and stretch zone to the right rebels, but the tackles, again, it's automatic backdoor bills, meaning they are big on big, and then we'll reach and get leverage to the play side eventually. The X is going to go ahead and do a combo crack on the defensive end to the Sam. And then last we have the Z do a diagonal route all the way across. This gives now after the play fake to the back, the quarterback turns back and gives it to the A, allowing the A receiver to go ahead and read this as a run pass option. We can do it a stretch with a Z reverse. Again, all we're going to do here now is we're doing a trio, but we do with a swap formation. So that makes the Z off and the A on. Still same play, lucky rebels, reverse left, stretch zone fake right. Again, now the Z is going to go behind, get the handoff, and the RPO goes to the A receiver. Just trading roles. Everything up front is exactly the same for the O-line, the H-back pulling, the back faking and closing the back door, and the quarterback doing a slow ride across and then slipping the ball to the Z receiver behind. We can do a stretch zone where we get the reverse to the X receiver. Now we're going to go with our ace formation. Again, the H never gets the ball because they are the puller and lead blocker, so then he'll go ahead and take off, and the X will go behind, get the H, and then behind the quarterback for the reverse. The A now is going to go ahead and do the crack block on the Sam, and the Z, since he's play side, does a V corner to get to that deep third. Everything else again up front is the same, and the back does his fake, closes the back door, quarterback, long ride, pivot, and slip the ball to now the X receiver. We can do this with inside zone fakes now too. This is a split zone insert, and then we're going to go ahead and still run the reverse to the left. So now we call lucky, still reverse left, but lightning is the play call. So we're going to fake split zone to the left, where the back goes ahead and goes and closes the back door still. You can see the H still pulls and leads. The X now is going to go ahead and crack on the Sam. Z does the diagonal, and the A receiver's got the reverse pass option. So up until this point, we've shown all the reverses going away from the H-back's initial alignment. We can also run it towards the H-back. What he'll do though is start his split action like he would for split zone. Then before he gets to the center, he's going to go ahead and turn back and still do his green lead on number 1. Everything then is the same up front, and with the Z and the A on the run pass option. Last, we can do a play action pocket pass by the quarterback off of our reverse series using our spear concept from our pass game. For communication, we'll use north, telling the lineman it's a play action pass in the pocket. Lucky means we're going to go ahead reverse left. Rebels means we're faking outside zone to the right. So the same action we've been using, The changes now as a quarterback, we'll do the long right to the back, pivot, fake to the reverse, settle, take their time, then turn and look for the ox as the read key, looking for the X on the fake crack and bender to the Z on the deep diagonal over. You can see now we've got a simple way to get the ball to multiple people using a reverse series with inside or outside run fakes, and then a great play action pass right from a concept we use in our passing game. Thanks.